Hi guys. I feel so weird vlogging because I haven't vlogged in maybe like 2 weeks. But I'm so excited because I just ordered the Louis Vuitton Bandolier 25 and I am super excited. It took me like a while to actually make this decision because the one I originally wanted was like $1,000 out of my price range, and I just couldn't bring myself to do that, so I just got a cheaper one, but it's a bigger bag. So yeah, I got that and a bandana, a bandeau. Is that what it's called? A bandeau. And it's like a cheetah print one. I'm super excited for it to come in. And yeah, we are buying a house next year, so I just decided to, I've been saving up for a bag anyways though, because last time I saved up money, it went towards our vacation, and I was like, damn it, like, I saved all this money and didn't even get to like use it. So I just, well, we did use it, but it was like on vacation that I don't know. It just sucked because I was like first saving for a new purse, and then we used it, and I ended up saving way more and using it for a vacation for us. So yeah, I finally decided to buy myself a Louis Vuitton, another one. We are going to be buying a house next year, so I decided to make the purchase now because the rest of the money that we're saving is going to go towards a house, so I won't be able to buy any more luxury items until after getting a house. So yeah, I probably might get like 2 more things from Louis Vuitton, but they're going to be like small items, like for like for Christmas or, you know, Valentine's Day, whatever. But other than that, we really aren't going to be using any money to spend. Yeah, so I was like, oh, I'll just buy this purse because I've been really wanting a smaller bag. I love my Neverfull, but it's just so big that it's hard to like carry around. And plus with the Speedy, I'm actually going to be taking it to work. But the Neverfull, I can't take that to work because it has Vachetta leather on it, so it will change colors, and I don't want that to happen. So I just got done editing my video, my morning routine. It literally was only 5 minutes long, but that's like how I like watching my morning routines. Like, I don't like them super long where they drag, because I'm like, okay, come on, like, get to the point. Like, I feel like people exaggerate their morning routines way too much. So I just did mine's like a realistic morning routine, like legit what I do, like nothing sugar coated, but made it super short. So I want to show you guys my thumbnail real quick because I feel like I've been doing really good with my thumbnails lately. Because like I said, I'm a boring person, so I like boring things. Like if you can't tell, my house barely has any decorations, and my colors are boring. I'm just like a boring, simple person. So trying to getting out of my comfort zone with thumbnails is really hard for me, but I feel like I'm actually getting a little bit better at them. So I'll show you guys real quick. So that's my thumbnail. Now I will link this video right here or at my end site depending on when this gets uploaded. So yeah, I am gonna upload my video, and I will see you guys. I'm going to be going to my mom's house too, so I'll see you guys when I get back. Hi guys, so I just got back from my dentist appointment about 30 minutes ago, but I wanted to show you guys real quick the stuff I got from Nordstrom's rack sale thingy that was going on. So yeah, let me show you real quick. So I got 2 things from MAC, but first I want to show you guys my iPad case. I totally forgot that this just got in today. So this iPad case finally came in. I have the iPad Pro, so super excited this finally came in, and it has a pen holder. The reason why I got it with the pen holder is because I am going to be getting a pen soon. I don't know when, but I will. But yeah, so it finally came in. Super excited. The gray's a little bit darker than what it showed on the photo, but I love it overall. So yeah, let's start with what I got from Nordstrom's rack. So the first thing I got is a lip gloss, and I hear everybody always talk about this, so I wanted to get one. This is the color. It's super pretty. It's like a sheer pink. It's like not showing up on here. It's honestly like a peachy pink. A concealer. So yeah, I just got these 2 items. I was gonna get a matte lipstick, but it was like a super nude color and I just didn't end up liking what it would look like online. So yeah,